They can come over this way.
Go way up. Go farther over.
Yeah.
Go farther over.
No way over you.
He's following. Oh, he's following Winter. Check it out. Come on. Woohoo. Monkey see, monkey do. You doing video, Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whee! Hi, monkey. You watching Windsor?
And look at them.
Oh.
He's the zoo to them. They're at home and he's the zoo.
Let's go back this way. You got it? Oh my! Why didn't for a view of him?
That was my camera. It happened right as I pushed the button on the camera.
You see him, Windsor? Yeah. Windsor's
Look
the
at him
tool
working
for
his
getting
head.
good
Whoa, that
With
one's
the
getting,
ears
yeah,
back.
the
Oh,
ears,
thank
that
you.
goes, yeah.
Must be the male.
Here, let's
Let's
walk,
look
let's
like
walk.
these are
Come
cheetahs.
here, Windsor.
They used to the anteaters over here.
Here, I need to ready to spin it. Come here, ready? See one more time. Here we go. We'll walk one more time. No.
Here's Windsor. Here are the monkeys. Dad, you can They want to play with him. He said, play with Windsor. Play with me. Play with
One on
me.
the right's his friend. He shakes the cage all the time.
Hey, Windsor, look at the monkey right there. Yeah, he wants to play with you. Whoop. He's like, you come play with us. Let's walk over here and see him go. Woo! Woo! The macaws want to play with Windsor. Stay there, two little macaws or birds or whatever you are, please. We're only a few feet from them.
Hey, they've got a book they're reading.
Okay, come here. The monkeys still want to play with Windsor. There he is. Woo! Stay, Windsor, stay. Stay. Windsor's watching the people. Behind us. Chris, you see that one? He's trying to get a good look. He was hot throwing. There's another one. Yeah. Ah. So slowly turn around from him. Oh, I hope you guys don't fly over here.
Woo! Whoa! Okay, I think Windsor are leaving.